What's up guys, for Jamming Outdoors. Today I'm at Highfalls Park in northern Alabama. I'm going to dive in here to see if I can find some treasure, so y'all come with me. up, guys? So we just got done with the dive here at Highfalls. Found some pretty cool stuff. This is a FPV drone with the Hero 7 Black. Really nice drone. I'm gonna see if I can post in some Alabama drone forums, see who this is. Found a rangeman G-Shock. That's a really good find. I found a 30-06 casing. A really cool large gear. There's a bunch of tools down there. And a couple coins, an earring, and a shot bullet. Not a huge find, but it's pretty cool, so y'all stick around. This is the FPV drone. It looks like they got too close to the rock wall and just went in. The blades have a little bit of damage on them, and also that separated. I'm not sure if it, maybe it came separated during flight and it fell in, but hopefully we can find the owner because this is a really nice drone and they probably put a lot of money into it.
So I got my two best finds. There's the GoPro. I'm about to pull the SD card out and check it out on my laptop. And I also got this rangeman, which the cool thing about this, it does the altimeter, barometer, compass, all the really cool things. It's a $330 watch I got for free. And we're gonna see if we can find the owner to this and the drone. So we got the 128 gig on here. Let's see. Oh, old guy. So he is using this as just a GoPro on here. Oh yikes. Flying the drone inside. It's a bold move. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. He's crashed this thing multiple times. Oh, that's some dope footage. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Right here. Oh. That was a close shot of his face, so I should be able to track him, possibly with that. So here it is, he takes off.
Two very boring minutes later.
What's up guys, I'm sitting here editing and I actually got an update on my post. Last night I posted in the Alabama Drone Club page and the Rocket City FPV page saying that I found an FPV drone in Highfalls, and I posted a photo of him and a shot of when the drone fell, and I updated and it actually said the owner's found because I had somebody message me saying that they knew the owner. And so I messaged him, and he actually said, I asked him if he lost a FPV drone at Highfalls, and he said yes, he did. So I'm actually going to meet him Monday. So hopefully we can get it back to him. We can get this thing up and running again and get some more cool shots. Because he actually is a cinematography drone pilot for a living, it looks like. So it's kind of cool. So hopefully he can get it up and flying and make some cool shots. So y'all stay tuned. What's up, bro?
Dude, what's up? Dude, this is super dope. Never thought I would get this thing back. Can't wait to look at this footage. You sent me a video of it actually, and it looked awesome. So it's a shame it crashed, but I'm still posting that video on Instagram, 100%.
He'll get it back up and flying soon enough, and hopefully we'll see some of his stuff.
Definitely.
So
You'll see more of this drone.
yep. Take it easy.
You too. Boom.